If your business has more than one company, it owns multiple entities. The entity module in Builder's Excellence serves as the source of truth to store information about each company. This information can be used to populate templates, analyze each company's performance in reports, and manage business processes unique to each company. In Zoho, company details can be entered under company settings. We use this for primary companies, but as it's limited to one entity. While the native company details in Zoho is limited, entities allow you to capture additional essentials such as social media accounts, banking details, and your company branding. We use the entity module to capture in the information about each company. When an inquiry is created, the relevant entity is assigned to the record. The entity flows into orders, invoices, and purchases related to that sale. In Builder's Excellence, invoices are linked to the correct entity and the invoice templates use the entity fields. Here you can see an invoice template that uses the entity fields to populate the company details. This means one template can be used for all entities, pulling all the relevant company information based on each entity that made the sale. To begin, go to the entity module. Let's look at the entity record I've already prepared prior. Here, you can see all the relevant information for this entity, and click here to view the related records that are linked. Click on Edit. Here, we've set up a Canvas form view. This makes it clear which fields are required, so you'll know exactly what needs to be filled in for all integrations to work correctly. Here you're required to enter an entity name. The entity type field is a pick list managed under the global dataset. This can be used in website contact forms or other processes where a standard lookup is not possible. When this is populated, the system will automatically fetch and link the associated entity record. Please note, the spelling and format of the names in the pick list must match the names in the entity module exactly. This ensures the system can connect the correct records. Company name. This is the organization's official registered name. Trading name. This may be the commonly known name, branch name, or brand name that the business operates under. ABN is required for compliance and invoicing. You can set the default warehouse so that stock allocations or material movements default to the correct location. In this section, you can nominate the internal supplier, which in this case is Builder's Excellence itself. You also have the option to set the primary supplier, which can either be the internal entity or another vendor you use most often. Buying account intercompany sales. Intercompany transfers are used when you own more than one business and need to sell or purchase stock between these entities. For a detailed walkthrough, please watch the Intercompany Transfers video. If your business requires this process, ensure these fields are completed. Bank and payment details. Here, you record the bank name, account number, and BSB. If required for international payments, you can also add the SWIFT code. Having these details centralized makes it easy when generating invoices or payment instructions. Under communication details, you can add your website address, business phone, and email. Think of this as your business's contact card, so it's important to keep it up to date. Then the Address Details tab. Here you can enter your physical and billing address. Lastly, the Marketing tab. In the Social Media Links section, you can connect your business Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram pages together with your logos, and terms and conditions linked to your business's terms, making it easy to reference or share with clients. Please note, the logo preview may appear smaller within this window. Once the record is saved, the logo will display correctly in your Canvas view.